Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I'd like to show you a new model that we just took in on trade. It's a 2022 Four Winns H4C Horizon Saltwater Edition outboard. We do have it in a black hull with a red accent, matched with a white interior, along with a V6 300 from Yamaha in white. Engine only has 30 hours on it. Let's hop inside and take a look at it. Now that we're on board this Four Winns, I would like to point out the very spacious swim platform area that you have here. Equipped with sea deck to be able to prevent some of that skid. There's a nice lounging area here, allows you to hang out and enjoy the water at the stern of this boat. Equipped nicely with 2 cup holders. You do have a JL audio head system here, so you don't have to go back to the helm to adjust this upgraded JL audio speaker system on this boat. Nice flip-up cushion to allow us to enter into the cockpit of this boat. We do have the Bimini deployed here on that upgraded power tower that I mentioned earlier. Once again, speakers mounted to the power tower, more throughout the boat, paired with a nice upgraded subwoofer as well. Starboard side, we do have flip-up cooler storage. Nice cup holders throughout the boat, along with a flip-up to access a trash can. And we do have that mirrored on the port side as well. Cooler storage with the cup holders, along with access to a trash can. Underneath here, we do have a head system. Now that we have the hatch open, you can take a look down inside the head compartment here. Nice spacious area. Do allow for a little bit of storage down below as well. At the helm of this Four Winns, we do have a nice Yamaha screen here integrated for all your charting and engine data that you would like to access. We do have our head unit for that JL audio speaker system. Toggle switching throughout for nav lights, courtesy lights, docking lights, underwater lights that this boat is equipped with, along with other things such as our bilge pump and power tower. We do have this boat equipped with trim tabs with LED indicators. Another nice feature here would be a mounted wireless charger for any phones. At the bow of this Four Winns, we do have some nice spacious seating up front. I am 6'4" for reference, so do have plenty of spacious seating here up the front. Could even have room for one more. Nice JL audio speaker system I mentioned earlier. We do have some speakers here at the bow, along with some more cup holders, so these people at the bow can enjoy a nice lounge here as well. As we move forward, we do have space for an anchor in this anchor locker. Thanks again for joining me on the walkthrough of this Four Winns that we just took in on trade. If you'd like to learn any more information about this or anything else we offer, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out at MarineMax.com. I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.